Before we get started with today's video, I want to let you guys know I do have a wig sale that is currently going on right now. I will leave the link in the description section below just in case any of you guys are interested. Let's get right into the video. Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another mother freaking video, and I am so freaking hype because we popping out on summer vacay, going to the beaches. We outside this year in a $45 wig. Stop playing. How is this $45? Sensational did the dang thing. Y'all see how HD this synthetic wig is giving? Okay, knots, what knots? What lace? It's giving HD all day, every day. This is the full construction of it. It does come with an elastic band if you want to wear it glueless, but let's just get into it. So I popped her on my mannequin head so you guys can get an up close view. Baby, that lace, what lace? Now this is not a full lace frontal. It's giving middle part with edges, but we're gonna make it do what it do. It does have deep parting in the center. Look at these beautiful curls, y'all. Do y'all see this? It's giving virgin hair dupe. Stop playing. Very soft, bouncy. Y'all gotta see this freaking hairline. So I'm just going into hot comb it without any product on there. It does come with baby hairs, okay? I did push them back into the unit, but it comes with baby hairs. Look at this freaking hairline. This is how it comes out of the pack for $40, $45. This is what y'all give it, or is it 46? I said 45. Oh yeah, it's 45. But y'all, this is what it looks like. On the left is how it came. On the right is what I did. More plucking. Now I'm going in to define the curls because they did get lost in the sauce when I plucked it. I would definitely recommend you do this step at the end after you do your full install, because it's going to be a pain if you trying to do different styles with the hair, okay? I'm just letting y'all know, do this at the end. For defining your curls, you can use water, you can use foam wrap lotion, you can use gel, you can use whatever you like. This is just the product that I used that day because I'm actually out of a lot of stuff, okay? So this is going to do, and I do scrunch up the curls so it can form its shape. So now I'm going in to tint the lace using 𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐬𝐬's lace tinting spray in the shade medium brown. All right, so this is what it looks like after I tinted the lace. One thing I hate about tinting spray, it always seeps through on the hair strands, and I always have to take a makeup wipe and remove it. That's one thing I don't miss about lace tinting spray. But y'all, look how good this unit is looking. Stop playing with me, okay? And like I said, I did do a little bit more plucking, so that's that on that. This hairline, Sensational did that though, okay? I really want to see a full lace frontal from them though. Y'all don't have to give us a middle part with edges. Y'all can give us some more hair. I'm just going in to cut off the lace. Y'all know the less the lace, the better. So I cut super duper close to the hairline because we don't need all that extra lace. I don't got time to be having extra lace just sitting on my forehead. I do cut jagged edges so it could be looking more natural, because you cutting straight lines just looks fake AF. We're just gonna go in and make sure that our lace lays flat around our ear. I just make a clean part, as you guys can see, from the end of my hairline to the top of my ear, and it should lay like this. You're gonna cut exactly where you parted at. This is crucial. You're cutting away the hair and that lace that you don't need. So when you finish, it should lay super duper flat around your ear like this. I'm gonna go ahead and secure your wig down. I'm using 𝐭𝐡𝐞𝐬𝐬 lace spray. I use about 3 to 4 layers in the summertime with this particular product because I do not want my wig sliding back out here in this humidity. So I do about 3 to 4 layers and wait till it is tacky. I do all the layers at once. So I spray one, push it back with my finger, spray another one, push it back with my finger, so forth and so on. Then I let it dry down until it's tacky. Once it's tacky, your finger will kind of get stuck. Once it gets stuck, pull it down, align your wig with where you place that spray. Use the back of your comb to enforce the lace into that spray, and then add more heat and you're really good to go. I do this step throughout the entire process. Very simple, very easy, and very quick, my personal opinion. But like I said, you use your finger to blend it back out, put as many layers as you think you need, dry it down to it's tacky, and you good to go. So after that, I do go ahead and double band. I don't know where my Amazon bands are, but we're going to use these, and I let this sit for a good 10 minutes. All right, so we're going to take both those bands off, and boom. Baby, what lace? You can't tell me that I got a $45 wig sitting up on my head. Baby, you can't even. You can't even. So I honestly didn't even need to do no baby hairs because why? Y'all seen that last clip? Anyway, I am cutting at an angle because I feel like I like my baby hairs to look like somewhat layered, if that makes sense. Taking my Kiss flat iron and I curled them both towards my face. I do spray my edge brush with some got2b glue spray, and then I swoop. Now I'm using my finger as a guideline, so technically I'm combing and then swooping the baby hair around underneath my finger, if that makes sense. If you guys are watching, that should make sense. And I'm holding it in place. Now you're gonna do this for a few times. It don't stick right away. You have to add more product and keep swooping. That's why I like with got2b glue spray, because it's buildable. It doesn't stick and hold in place and it comes out and turn white just in that moment. That's why I love them too. But y'all, yeah, this texture of hair around this hairline, okay? But to secure your baby hair, and you definitely want to spray that got2b glue spray all over that baby hair unless you want it lifting, okay? And dry it down. Lastly, I'm just going in to define my part using my Ruby Kisses foundation and the level 12. Baby, this part is deep. It go clean back to the middle of my head. I'm here for it. Y'all know I gotta do my little bumps, and then off camera I refresh the curls, and boom, bam, boom. Look at this, y'all. Stop playing. Now I ain't gonna lie, that density is densitying. Okay, it's a lot of motherfucking hair. Look at this. Let me turn around. Y'all see all this hair? It's a lot of hair though. From here on out, we're just gonna do different styles. Y'all, one of my favorite things about this wig is this hairline, because it's giving what lace? It's giving scalp. But we're just doing a little messy side part. I really like the side part in this particular unit. The middle part was not doing it for me. The side part was everything. Lastly, I'm just going in to do a quick half up, half down type of vibe. I really love this style. I added a cute little headband I filmed on Instagram, and I felt like she ate down, okay? This was my favorite style. That middle part was not doing it for me. But overall, y'all, I love this unit. Now, for the quality of the hair, I feel like the quality is definitely giving the price of the wig, okay? The quality feels like the price of the wig. It might look like it's virgin hair, but baby girl, it is not, okay? Now I did get tangled in doing these different styles as well. I always feel like curly hair is not going, it does not last as long as the other textures of hair when it comes down to synthetic hair. So just be mindful of that. But overall, I'm gonna give this unit a 9 out of 10. She did what she was supposed to do. Look at the scalp, everything, the lace. I'm obsessed, okay? So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to check out the wig sale. I will have it listed in the description section below. And until my next video, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye guys.